provincial government makes a lot of decisions that impact our daily lives, and now's a good time to have a voice in shaping those decisions by voting in the elections on February 27th, 2025. To vote, you need one piece of ID showing both your name and home address. It doesn't have to be a photo ID, and it can be electronic or printed from a device. If you don't have ID, a staff person of the food bank or community health center can help you get registered. Ask the staff to find out more. In deciding who to vote for, the province is responsible for housing, healthcare, transit, education, and funding for OW and ODSP. It's all stuff that affects us deeply. The four main parties are the Liberals, the Progressive Conservatives, the NDP, or the New Democratic Party, and the Green Party. Here's what they're promising about the issues that may be important to you. The Liberals, Green Party, and NDP are promising to double the Ontario Disability Support Program. The NDP are promising to have more staff in schools and increase food programs in schools. The Liberals and Conservatives are promising to increase access to family doctors. The Liberals, Green Party, and NDP are promising to invest in affordable housing. The Conservatives are promising to build more recreation facilities. And the Liberals, Conservatives, and Green Party are promising to help the city save money by helping to pay for things like running transit or shelters. Here are some questions you can ask elected officials at a debate or if they show up at your door. Are you willing to support an increase in funding for services like food banks, Ontario Works, and ODSP? Would you be willing to support additional funding for municipalities to support the increased need for social services? Do you support increase in funding for municipalities to deliver transportation? Are you committed to creating an inclusive city, to invest in ensuring services are welcome of newcomers and supportive of residents across race, culture, sexual orientation, and gender identity? Today, we had some basic information to help you prepare to vote on the election on February 27, 2025. To get more information, check out CAWI's social media, and you can also look at the links in the caption to find out more about the various parties and their platforms. Remember, your vote counts.
Hey, Kata, did you know the provincial elections are coming up soon?
Yeah, it's an important time to pay attention to what the candidates are saying. The provincial government makes a lot of decisions that impact our lives.
I know, and the elections are coming so soon, February 27th. I have so many questions. Who's in charge of fixing the roads? And what about housing prices? And why is public transit so expensive?
Good questions. Different levels of the government handle different things. Take that pothole, for example.
Yeah, it's been there forever.
That's on the municipal government. They take care of local roads, public transit, garbage collection, and things like libraries and parks.
So if I want better bus service, I should talk to the city?
Exactly. But housing is a big one that is handled more by the provincial government. They take care of things like rent control, affordable housing programs, and building regulations.
I keep hearing about housing affordability in this election. So the province is responsible for that.
Yep, and they also handle healthcare and education.
Oh, and what about income security, like social assistance or disability support?
That's another provincial responsibility. The province manages programs like Ontario Works and the Ontario Disability Support Program.
Okay, so the province really does affect a lot of things in my daily life. But what about big picture stuff, like immigration or the economy?
That is where the federal government comes in. They handle national issues like defense, immigration, and trade, and they help fund the provinces too.
So if I care about housing, transit, and income security, I should be paying close attention to the provincial election.
Absolutely. Every level of the government matters, but right now, the provincial election will shape policies that affect your daily life.
Got it. Time to do my research. Oh, and about that pothole?
Yeah, just call the city for that one.
And remember, your vote matters.